Hello everyone, myself Hemant. We are a group of 3 members who worked on this project. That is some disease prediction. Our main aim is to predict the diseases early, which helps the people to save their lives. In this project, we developed a website in which user can enter the medical related values to know that he is suffering from that disease or not. We only focus on certain diseases like Parkinson's, heart, and diabetes. For the prediction, we use some of the algorithms like KNN, SVM, random forest classifier, logistic regression, etc. This project can only take the numerical and textual values as an input and predict on the basis of the input values that we are given and gives the output. In this project, my major contribution is the front end part of this project is developed by me, and as well as I helped in the coding part.
Everyone, this is Chandrakiran. Basically, as you all know, nowadays many people are suffering from different diseases. We have developed this project to predict diseases at early stage. And my contribution in this project is mainly focused on backend coding. Also, I have worked on hard disease section of the code. In future, this project can be developed using AI, and we can also use advanced technology for taking the images as input and finding the result of the disease on the basis of this image.
My name is Sujata. Let's start discussing about our DTI project, that is disease prediction. In this project, I worked on training the model for predicting diabetes, in which I have used SVM for training the model to predict output, and the dataset that we have used is a CSV file which consists of textual data. I have included the medical terms which are related to diabetes on the user interface. This is the contribution that I have made, including correcting the errors that occurred in our project.
Hello guys, after the introduction, let's directly dive into the code. Okay, this is a code. The coding part is done using Python language. For front end also we used Python, and backend as well. This code is divided into different section. First, dataset section. Second, saved models. Third, the trained model section. Now, if we come to the datasets, these are the CSV files which we took from the Kaggle website. This dataset is related to the diabetes. It consists of columns like pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure. These are the columns which are to be filled by the user or the person who is using the website. Same goes for the heart and Parkinson's. Now, if we come to the front end part of this code, we use mainly Streamlit for the website development and Pickle for storing the trained models. Here we loaded our trained models which are stored using the Pickle. This is the title bar, and which consists, these are the number of pregnancies, glucose, these are the values which needs to be filled by the person or the user who is using the website. After filling these values, he can enter test results to see that the person is affected by that disease or not. After this, if we come to the training part of our models, this is for this is for diabetes. For main the algorithm that we use for training our model is SVM, and for pre-processing we used sklearn, pandas, numpy, etc. To clean our data and to organize it properly and test the from sklearn we imported train test split module so that we can split the data into two parts in 80:220 ratio. Uh, we know that this sklearn.metrics will print the accuracy of the model. This all comes under the pre-processing of the data. Here we applied our SVM model. Now for heart disease, we used logistic regression. Uh, Basically, it gives the best accuracy, which it gave us the best accuracy. So we use logistic regression. And for Parkinson's also we use SVM for prediction. the same which we have done in the previous for heart and diabetes. The same we did for this also Parkinson's. First, we pre-processed the data and split it into 80:20 ratio, and then we applied our model directly. Now, running part of the code will be explained by Chetu, that how our code runs actually, what a person needs to do when he logins into our website or when he uses our website. Chandu, please continue.
Thank you, Hemant. Okay, let's directly run the code. Okay, actually we have to paste this link. We have to paste this link here. Actually, we will get the website like this, and we have the output like this, and we have disease, heart disease prediction, diabetes disease prediction, and Parkinson disease prediction. And as you know, we have to enter the values here, and as you click this diabetic test result, we will get the output here in the green bar. And likewise, we have the heart disease and Parkinson disease also. Okay, let's enter this one. Okay, let's enter number of pregnancies, one or something else, or this one for glucose level 100. Right, and blood pressure is about 90 or something, and skin 2 or like that. Insulin level, let it be 8. Uh, uh, Body mass index, and it will let it be 120 or something like that one. Diabetes pedigree function, let it be 2. Age of the person, take something. Okay, let's click here. Like this, the person is diabetic, and if we enter the different values of the values here, we will get the means we will get the different one. If a person is not diabetic, we will it will be represented here. The person is not diabetic. Likewise, we have the heart disease prediction and the Parkinson prediction also. Okay, thank you. Uh,
Thank you, Chandu, for explaining the running part of our code. This code actually in this project we used only the textual or numerical data. In future, we can use the images as
also.
an input.
Okay, we can use deep learning and advanced technology for the inputting the images, and we will get the output results on the basis of the images that we have inputted.
Thank you, Chandu. As Chandu said, we can give images as an input, and taking that on the basis of that images, our models will predict that the person is suffering or not on the basis of that image. Thank you. A special thanks to Hardio Thakur sir who helped in our TTI project. Thank you everyone
Thank
who
you,
helped
sir.
in our project.
Thank you, sir.